Hi guys, it's Ron here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so we can hit the 20,000 subscribers and we can celebrate with it. So for today's video, we were going to talk about how to delete the account on Litmatch. For me, I'm going to show you how to delete with it in the easiest way so you can delete your account. And for now, I'm going to ask you first, why are you going to delete your account? So please comment down on the comment section where are you going to delete your account in Litmatch. So for me, I'm not going to delete for now because I have a future preference or something, or maybe perhaps someday I'm going to find my partner. So I'm sorry for that barking dog. Oh, there's a Without further ado, let's get started. So welcome to my screen. So this is the Litmatch app. I know that you already have this one. So let's open this. Going to teach you how to delete your account. So I know that it is frustrating for you to delete your account because no one is talking to you, or make a new partner in here. You try your best to show yourself and make yourself available to anyone for a relationship. So yeah, so we are here in the settings and scroll down and click the account, and this you can see the delete account. So there's a lot of choices in here, or there are 4 choices in here. So your personal data will be deleted, all diamonds and VIP privilege will be deleted, and you will no longer be the owner of your party, and charisma will be dissolved. You will not be able to recover your account information. So if you agree, so this is set. So you've successfully delete your Litmatch account. So please note that 30 days to complete the deactivation process. Blah, blah, blah. So if you have any request during the account deactivation, please contact Lit via email. So this is it, lit_ph, or this email it depends on the country you are in. So this is the Philippines, lit_Philippines. So yeah, so copy your lit ID. So yeah, and also screenshot this as a note. Okay, so confirm, and that's already. So if you want to log in your account within the 30 days, you can reopen your account. Welcome back again in my screen. If you learned something about me, please subscribe to this channel so we can reach the 20,000 subscribers here in the YouTube channel. If you have any problem or dispute, so I will going to create that with the tutorial on my channel. So you must subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can notify whenever I upload something that can help you. And thank you for watching.